Hallo maatjies, hallo boys and girls. Is julle gereed om Afrikaans te leer? Are you ready to learn Afrikaans? Maatjies, hierdie is 'n graad 1 les oor plaasdiere. Boys and girls, this is a grade 1 lesson about farm animals. Kom ons leer, lees en speel met die verskillende woorde. Let's learn, read and play with the different words. Kom ons kyk na die prentjies. Let's look at the pictures to help us. Vandag leer ons oor plaasdiere. Kan jy plaasdiere sê? Today we're learning about farm animals. Can you say the word plaasdiere? Is jy gereed? Are you ready? Kom ons begin. Let's get started. 3, 2, 1. Kom ons begin. Kom ons leer. Kyk, wat is dit? Look, what is this? Dit is 'n koe. This is 'n koe. Koe beteken cow in Engels. Koe means cow in English. Kom ons sê dit saam. Let's say it together. Koe. Kom ons luister gou, hoe klink 'n koe? Let's listen to how a cow sounds. Baie mooi maatjies. Kyk, look. Dit is 'n bok. This is a bok. Bok beteken goat in Engels. Bok means goat in English. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Bok. Kom ons luister gou, hoe klink 'n bok? Let's listen to how a goat sounds. Sjoe maatjies, julle is oulik. Well done boys and girls, you are amazing. Kyk na die prentjie. Look at the picture. Dit is 'n skaap. This is a skaap. Skaap beteken sheep in Engels. Skaap means sheep in English. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Skaap. Kom ons luister gou hoe die skaap klink. Let's listen to how the sheep sounds. Baie mooi maatjies. Well done boys and girls. Kyk nou na die prentjie. Have a look at this picture. Dit is 'n perd. This is a perd. Perd beteken horse in Engels. A perd is a horse in English. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Perd. Baie mooi maatjies. Kom ons luister gou hoe klink die perd. Let's listen to how the perd sounds. Baie mooi maatjies. Well done. Kyk, wat sien jy? Look, what do you see? Dit is 'n eend. This is 'n eend. 'n Eend is 'n duck in Engels. 'n Eend is a duck in English. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Eend. Kom ons luister gou. Let's quickly listen. Sjoe maatjies, baie oulik. Julle doen so goed. Well done boys and girls, you are all doing amazing. Wat is dit? What is this? Dit is 'n vark. This is a vark. Vark beteken pig in Engels. Vark means pig in English. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Vark. Kom ons luister gou, hoe klink die vark? Let's listen to what the pig sounds like. Sjoe maatjies, baie mooi. Well done boys and girls. Kyk nou na die dier. Look at this animal. Dit is 'n hoender. This is a hoender. A hoender is a chicken in English. A hoender is a chicken in Engels. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Hoender. Baie mooi maatjies. Kom ons luister hoe klink 'n hoender. Let's listen to what a hoender sounds like. Pragtig maatjies, wonderlike werk. Well done boys and girls. Kyk maatjies, wat is hierdie? Look boys and girls, what is this? Dit is 'n donkie. This is a donkey. Donkey beteken donkey in Engels. Donkey means donkey in English. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Donkey. Kom ons luister gou. Let's listen. Pragtige werk maatjies. Well done boys and girls. Kyk nou mooi. Look carefully. Dit is 'n gans. This is 'n gans. Gans beteken goose in Engels. Gans means goose in English. Kom ons sê dit saam. Let's say it together. Gans. Kom ons luister gou hoe klink die gans. Let's listen to what the gans sounds like. Baie mooi maatjies. Nou gaan ons die woorde weer oefen. Now we are going to practice the words again. Ek gaan vir julle die verskillende prentjies wys en die woorde. I will show you the different pictures as well as the Afrikaans word for each. Is jy gereed? Are you ready? Kom ons gaan, let's go. Luister nou baie mooi. Listen carefully. Koei, bok, skaap, perd, eend. Ek gaan hulle nou weer 'n keer sê. I'm going to say them one last time. Koei, bok, skaap, perd, eend. Okay maatjies, ek gaan die woordjies nou stadiger sê sodat jy die woord na my kan herhaal. Okay boys and girls, I'm going to say the word slowly so that you can repeat the word after me. Koei, bok, skaap, perd, eend. Vark, hoender, donkie, gans. Again, vark, hoender, donkie, gans. Ek gaan die woordjies nou stadiger sê. I'm going to say the words slowly so that you can try and repeat after me. Vark, hoender, donkie, gans. Fantasties maatjies, fantastic boys and girls. Maatjies, julle was fantasties. Boys and girls, you were absolutely fantastic. Vandag het ons nuwe woorde oor plaasdiere geleer. Today we learned new words about farm animals. Onthou, oefen jou woorde gereeld. Lees en sê julle Afrikaanse woorde. Remember, practice often, read and say your Afrikaans words. Hoe meer jy oefen, hoe beter word jy. The more you practice, the better you become. Is julle gereed vir die volgende les? Are you ready for the next lesson? Sê gou-gou saam met my. Say the following words with me and after me. Ek is 'n Afrikaans ster. Again, ek is 'n Afrikaans ster. Ek hoor julle nie, bietjie harder. Ek is 'n Afrikaans ster. Always remember, boys and girls, you are all Afrikaans stars. Voordat ek afsluit en totsiens sê, before I go and say goodbye, I have a quick question for you. Wat is jou gunsteling plaasdier? What is your favorite farm animal? Baie dankie maatjies dat julle vandag saam met my geleer het. Thank you for learning with me today. Hou aan leer, hou aan glimlag en onthou, Afrikaans is pret. Keep learning, keep smiling, and remember, Afrikaans is fun. Totsiens maatjies, tot volgende keer. Goodbye boys and girls, see you next time.